Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color is found in the particular flower, goes by the same name, having a shade of purple. This color is produced by combining blue and red, resulting in a light purple hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Lilac. Lie. Luck. Lie. Luck. Lilac. Lilac is crucial in the context of fashion, interior design, and art, helping designers and artists to create soft, soothing, and elegant palettes. It's a color often associated with springtime, romance, and serenity. If you enjoyed learning about lilac, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.